How you doing, everyone? Today I'm working on my Toyota Corolla 2021. As you can see, I'm removing my shark fin antenna. My original one, which is silver. See, the wrap started getting messed up. And, they suggest me when they wrap it, it was good for me to find the black one. So it took me like 3 years to go there. So in order to remove it from here, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 little pins. But for me, what I did, I removed this one, and once I removed this one, it felt right off. So what it was giving me a little hard time was to remove this pin. So I finally got it, like the two on the sides, I got it with this one, pull it to the sides. And then the one at the end, I did it by hand. I started from the driver's side, removing this panel, the top, and the little hander. The little hander, you pull this 2 clips, one on each side. Once you do that, you pull it and it will go right off. You got 3 clips. 1, 2, 3 clips. I undo the passenger side because the clip from the antenna was giving me a little hard time, but I found a way with this tool. I put it like to the right over here and pull one of the clips, came over here, put the other clips, and this one I did it by hand. I'll show you the clips right now. So put in that clip right there. So let me see if I can keep the phone straight. See, these 2 sides, you pull it with a pry tool, and then this one, I did it by hand. Wiggle it around a little bit, and it will go right off. You gotta be patient because it's a little hard to remove it. That's why I got impatient and I tried to do it through the passenger side, which I didn't have to do it. I just need to be a little bit more patient. So the new shark fin, which is black, it's the same. It's original from Toyota. And if you look at it in black, that will be your number right here, product ID number. That's where I ordered it from. It took like a week, maybe a little longer, 10 days probably. That's what I paid with a shipping. After I found another kind of website, I'm not 100% sure, but I think it wasn't charging me for the shipping. It was like $32.99, which is even cheaper, but I'm not 100% sure. So, right there. So, right now, moment of truth. Voila. Right on it. Just factory. 100% original. Got a little sketchy on the website. It's a Toyota and some, I forgot what it is. Virginia? Yeah. Because it took a couple of days for me to reply, like the order was made. I reached out to them through the email. So they answered back to me right away. So I just got it yesterday. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit before I install it, but that's pretty much, I don't know. I'm not gonna push it just yet because I want to clean it. It comes with a new gasket and the new bolt with the clip. Let me see. Let me put the phone over here for a second. Bear with me. Be right back. Bear with me. Sorry about that. So these are the 3 clips that hold the roof on the back, the top. This is a little bolt screw and the clip that holds the antenna from the inside, which when you purchase the antenna, it comes with a new bolt, new clip, and the sealed gasket, which is this one. This one still looks kind of good. I don't know if I want to replace it. Maybe I should. I decide in a minute what I'm gonna do, but in the meantime, yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Let me see. Look, there you go. Yeah, so beautiful now. Instead, this one that was like already looking like that. Every time I look at it, I was like, what the hell? So now my OCD is gonna be more in control. Pretty much everything that I used, it was this one and 10 millimeters socket. Guys, once again, I'll show you the receipt, the product ID number, and the total what I pay for it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you like, I always try to make videos of the hookups that I do on my car. I don't always have the time to do it, but just a heads up. I got everything carbon fiber, so the other day I wrapped this on the other side. I'm waiting for more wrap today to change this one from matte to a glossy one. I did the interior over here too. I got my door over here. As you can see, I got pretty much everything on my dash. Steering wheel. It's dirty though. That's wrap. The radio frame is a wrap. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like. Please give a like. See you in the next one.